سلام، خوبین؟ چه خبر؟ Today we're going to expand our knowledge of compounds of Kardan. We're going to use our new compounds first in Unit 5 to talk about our free time activities and then throughout the course whenever we need action verbs, especially in Unit 19 when we talk about sports and healthy lifestyle. As you remember from Lesson 3, talk about life and work, the verb kardan is one of the most widely used compound verb makers in Persian. We have worked with two of its compounds, زندگی کردن, to live, and کار کردن, to work so far. Let's have a quick review. من زندگی می کنم. من کار می کنم. من زندگی نمی کنم. من کار نمی کنم. تو زندگی می کنی. تو کار می کنی. تو زندگی نمی کنی. تو کار نمی کنی. اون زندگی میکنه. اون کار میکنه. اون زندگی نمیکنه. اون کار نمیکنه. ما زندگی میکنیم. ما کار میکنیم. ما زندگی نمیکنیم. ما کار نمیکنیم. شما زندگی میکنین. شما کار میکنین. شما زندگی نمی کنین. شما کار نمی کنین. اونا زندگی می کنن. اونا کار می کنن. اونا زندگی نمی کنن. اونا کار نمی کنن. Now let's start working with a new set of these compounds that we can use to describe our free time activities. You remember that the noun زندگی in Persian means life. So the verb زندگی کردن means to live. And the noun کار means work. So the verb کار کردن means to work. Similarly, نگاه means look. So نگاه کردن is to look or to watch. گوش means ear. So گوش کردن is to listen. ورزش means sports. So ورزش کردن means to play sports, to exercise or to work out. بازی means play, game or a match. So بازی کردن is to play. تمرین means practice. So تمرین کردن is to practice. خرید is shopping. So خرید کردن is to shop or to do the shopping. درست means right, correct or proper. So درست کردن is to make. آشپزی means cooking. So آشپزی کردن is to cook. استراحت means rest. So استراحت کردن is to rest, to relax or to chill. تفریح is fun. So تفریح کردن is to have fun. مسافرت is travel. So مسافرت کردن is to travel. رانندگی is driving. So رانندگی کردن is to drive. نقاشی means painting. So نقاشی کردن is to paint. شنا is swimming or swim. So شنا کردن is to swim. And ski is ski or skiing. So اسکی کردن is to ski. And you already know from our frequency time pattern that for a time phrase like 1 hour a day, we have یک ساعت در روز, and for 2 days a week, we have دو روز در هفته. Now it's time to expand our time pattern. ماه in Persian is month. So for 1 week a month, we have یک هفته در ماه. For 2 weeks a month, we have دو هفته در ماه. And for 3 weeks a month, we have سه هفته در ماه. For year in Persian, we have سال. So if we want to say 1 month a year, we would say یک ماه در سال. 2 months a year would be دو ماه در سال. And 3 months a year would be سه ماه در سال. And bar in Persian means times when we put it together with numbers. So once a day would be یک بار در روز. Twice a week would be دو بار در هفته. 3 times a month would be سه بار در ماه. And 4 times a year would be 4 بار در سال. Alright, now let's put our new verbs and time phrases together to express new ideas. If we want to say I listen to the news twice a day, we would say من 2 بار در روز اخبار گوش می کنم. I watch movies 3 times a week would be من 3 بار در هفته فیلم نگاه می کنم. For how many times a month do you exercise? We have تو چند بار در ماه ورزش می کنی. And for how many times a year do you travel? We would say تو چند بار در سال مسافرت می کنی. Now take a look at the vocabulary and tell me how we can say she cooks once a day. اون یک بار در روز آشپزی میکنه. He makes dinner 5 times a week. اون 5 بار در هفته شام درست میکنه. We swim 8 times a month. ما 8 بار در ماه شنا میکنیم. We play football 12 months a year. ما 12 ماه در سال فوتبال بازی میکنیم. How many hours a day do you relax? شما چند ساعت در روز استراحت میکنین؟ How many days a week do you practice Persian? شما چند روز در هفته فارسی تمرین میکنین؟ They do the shopping 3 times a month. اونا 3 بار در ماه خرید میکنن. They ski 2 months a year. اونا 2 ماه در سال اسکی میکنن. Perfect. Now you know how to work with the variety of compounds of Kardan to talk about different types of activities. Have fun with your Persian and see you soon.